Nolan.
Yeah.
Who's driving this boat?
You.
Oh, here he comes. What's up, Captain? Oh, that was good.
Okay.
Woo. Today, we are at the San Antonio Aquarium. That's in San Antonio, Texas. We wanted to beat the heat and do something indoors. So we got on the interwebs and looked around, and that's what we found. Y'all excited? Y'all want to go see some fish?
Yes. No, what?
Hey, you know what? Hey, you know what? Hey, you know what?
Subscribe!
Yeah.
Well, I want you to join us. Or not just you. I want you. Oh, yeah. And you over there. I want you two also to join us, okay? Not you two, the band. But Bono, if you're listening, you can join us too.
Sight of a rock and roll singer, you know, standing on top of a dolphin, whale, or a rainforest.
All right, let's go, guys! Oh my gosh, it's dinosaurs. And weird kids playing tetherball.
I win.
I want to play. As you first walk in, you are encountered by an alligator. Not that alligator, because he is not real. Those big, huge alligators right over there. Hey Nolan, what's behind you? Oh, he's screaming at you. Oh. Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. That bird's saying, look at you, look at you. And right there below the bird, what's that on the bottom there?
It looks like a kangaroo.
I don't know what that is.
A rabbit.
Is that a rabbit? Is that a rabbit, Nolan?
Yeah.
What do rabbits eat? Oh. What are you looking at?
Yes.
Fish. Where? Whoa! Look at all those fish. Ooh! What's in there, Nolan?
A top.
A hedgehog? Is that a hedgehog?
Yeah.
I think that might be a porcupine. Did you think that was Sonic?
No, hot dog.
Oh, it's a hedgehog?
Yeah.
I think that's a porcupine.
A hot dog.
A hedgehog? Or porcupine?
Hot dog.
Hedgehog? Porcupine.
Hot dog.
What do you think it is? Porcupine. We will find out and let you know. So this guy was kind enough to give us an interview about the stingrays. Excuse me, sir. The stingrays, do they ever sting anybody when they're feeding them? Is that a yes or a no? Like that stingray right there, could he sting me? No. Okay, Baba Booey? We'll come back later. Did you get it, Nolan? Nolan, what did it feel like? The stingray, what did it feel like?
Good.
Good.
If you touch me, it'll come back. Watch. Touch, keep touching, keep touching.
Think you can get that stingray, Ashley? That big one. You gonna try to touch one, Nolan?
Yeah, guys.
What did it feel like?
Like
like disgustingness.
Like disgusting. Put your hand in there, Nolan. Nolan, get your hand in there. You don't see that sign very often. Nolan, you actually can feed the animals here. You can feed the animals here.
Look at the duck.
Nolan, look over there. Oh, got him! What? What do you see? Ooh, the peacock back there. Oh, it sure is. Oh, you can barely see him. Oh, that chicken is hairy. Yeah, right there you see.
That's hot.
Great Scott, that's a peacock.
You see how hot.
Got any Fruit Loops? Hey buddy, got any Fruit Loops? Just like any good place, you gotta have a gift shop. Got all kinds of nifty little goodies in here. Ooh, look at that, King Kong. What's the price of this? Excuse me, sir, how much are you?
10.
10? I'll take one. What are you checking out?
I think I'm gonna get this.
What is that?
It's an oyster, clam, whatever pearl. You pull it out of the.
Let me see.
You pull it out of here, stick it in there. Whichever pearl you get represents something.
Pretty nifty.
Follow me.
Follow you? Hey, how's it going, feller? Hey, where are we going, man? Following you, man. Just following you around, buddy. Hey, where are we going? Hey, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, alright?